Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how to measure current in a circuit. Remember that whenever you want to measure the voltage of any cell, it is very easy to measure because we need a parallel connection. And for example, if you want to measure the voltage of this cell, then it is very easy. Then you can, this is the positive probe and this is the negative probe of the multimeter. For that, what I have to take that this is the DC voltage. You see, this is the DC voltage and this is the AC voltage. This is this DC voltage and the range is 200 milliampere to 2000 milliampere, 20 this is 200 millivolt, this is 2000 millivolt, this is 20 volt, this is 200 volt, and this is up to 1000 volt. You can measure with this multimeter, right? For that, what you take, they take this pointer to the 20 volt point. This is 20 volt, right? Now if you want to measure the voltage of this cell or potential of this cell, you touch it with the positive terminal of the battery and this with the negative terminal, and you will get the, it is 4.78 volt. 4.78 volt. If you want to measure the voltage of this cell, how much potentiality it has, then you can also measure the intensity, the potential or voltage of this cell, then how much volt it is. Then touch the positive terminal of the battery with the positive probe and negative terminal of the battery with the negative probe and get 4.46 volt, right? This is 4.46 volt and this is nearly 4 volt, right? And if we put it in series connection, then they will give at least 4 plus 4 8 volt, right? That is, these cells, if we connect in series, then nearly they will give us 8 volt, because in series connection the voltage is added up, right? And now you see how to measure current with this multimeter. I will show you. You see here we have a, we will have a connection with this LED, right? You see, if you want to connect this LED, this is the positive terminal of the battery, right? Here you see we have connected this LED and this is the negative terminal of the cell. Now we have to remember that whenever you want to measure the current in a circuit, you have to put the multimeter in series connection. That you have to remember, right? Now we'll see how we are going to measure the current of this LED, right? You see here. Now you see how we have connected this circuit. We have connected this circuit in series connection. You see how is the connection. This is the positive terminal of the battery is connected with the positive terminal of the LED. You see here, this one, right? And the negative terminal of the LED is connected with this negative terminal, negative probe of the multimeter. You see, this is the negative probe of the multimeter, that is black one. See this one, this is the negative terminal of the negative probe of the multimeter is connected with the negative terminal of the LED, right? And this is the positive terminal of the positive probe of the multimeter is connected with this one, and we will see how much current it passes through this, right? Let us check. See here, it is fluctuating. We will change it in different LED and check how much current it is passing through it. You see here, we have put it in 200 milliampere. Then if we put it here, you see that the current we are getting is, it is fluctuating, right? In this way, in this series connection, we can measure the current of any circuit passing through that, right? Now we can control the current with a variable resistance, and we'll show you how to check the current, right? Let us take different types of LEDs with another LED and we'll check the current passing through that LED, right? You see, we have taken another type of LED here, right? And let's see whether we can measure it or not, right? Let us check with this LED. This is the positive terminal. We are putting in the positive terminal with this one and the negative terminal with this one, and let's see whether we can measure the current or not. We'll check whether this LED is in perfect condition or not. Let us check it. First we'll check this one. No, this LED is not working. That's why I have to change this LED. That's why it is not glowing. Let us change this LED and take a perfect LED so that it may work here. Let us check which LED is in perfect condition. After that, we will measure the current. Yes, it is working. Now we will give this in positive terminal and this is in negative terminal, and let's see whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working, right? Now we'll measure. You see here how we have made the correction. This is the probe of the negative probe of the multimeter. It will be connected with the negative terminal of the LED, and the positive terminal of the LED is connected with the positive terminal of the cell, right? And I will complete the circuit, and it is in series connection and to measure the current, right? Let us check. You see, the current is fluctuating, but even then we are getting a stable current up to after a few minutes, that is 19, 18, 17, 16. Now you see how to measure the a current. First of all, you have to connect it any load in series connection, right? After that, let us check how it is, what is the current in this circuit. You see, though it is fluctuating, it is nearly 13 point 10.4. It is 10.4 milliampere, right? Let us check once again. It is fluctuating, but it is 10.4, 10 milliampere, you can say, right? With the, and if we take another type of LED, the current will change. That to measure current in a circuit, you have to make it in series connection to measure the current, right? Here you see we are getting a current of nearly 10 milliampere, nearly, right? It is fluctuating, when then it is nearly 10 milliampere, right? We have to put it either in 200 or in 20 milliampere, right? You see, this is nearly, we are getting 10 milliampere. Yes, it is nearly 10 milliampere current we are getting in this circuit. Now if you want to change, you want to change the a current with a variable resistance, then you can see the current will change, right? Let us put a variable resistance here, and we'll see that there is a change in the current also. You see, we have taken a connection with the wire and connect it with this variable resistance, and see there is a change in the, here we have taken a variable resistance, and let's see what happens. See, now the current is decreasing, it is nearly 0.04 milliampere, right? Because we have changed the, we are changing the resistance, and see how the LED intensity of LED will change. A small intensity, then we will decrease the resistance. We are decreasing the resistance. Now the intensity of LED will increase. You see, it is nearly 0.05 ampere, 0.05 milliampere, right? If it is in 200 position, then we are getting 0.05 milliampere, right? Now we will change the intensity of this light, change the variation variable. We are changing the resistance, and now see it is 0.05 milliampere now. Now if we change this LED, then we will see that the current will change. There is a change in the current also. You see, here we are changing the current. This is the negative terminal of the LED, and this is the positive terminal of the LED, and let's see how much current we are getting with this LED. You see, the intensity of the LED will increase. I see we are getting 0.05 milliampere current in this circuit, right? In this way, you have to measure the current with a series connection. You see, we are getting 0.06 0.05 milliampere, right? We can change it with a different LED and notice the change in the current. this is the negative terminal and this is the positive terminal, and let's see how it works. You see, it is 0.06 milliampere current is passing through it now, right? Now if we change the resistance, you see we are changing the resistance. Now check how much current is passing through it. It is also 0.06 milliampere we are getting with this LED, right? In this way we can check the current with this multimeter, but you have to remember that to check the current in a multimeter you have to put it or in series connection, right? See, 0.06 milliampere. Now if you remove this resistance, you see, if you are removing the resistance, what will happen, that the current will increase and the LED will glow more than before and the current will increase now, right? You see, if the current has increases, that's why the intensity of LED is glowing, right? That is, you see, it is showing 1, that is more than this one, then we have to put it in 200 milliampere, and now you see the current is, how much current is it is passing now. Though it is a variable current it is passing, it is nearly 11 milliampere it is showing now, right? Because we have uh, changed the variable resistance, and so the current increases and we are getting this current. Right now change the LED or different LED, and now we measure the current now. Right, this is the negative terminal of the LED and this is the positive terminal of the LED, and we will check the current passing through it. This is a different LED, and let's see how much current it is passing through now. See, though it is fluctuating, it is fluctuating between 4.5 milliampere, right? In this way, this is changing the current, or the current is changing in all the cases, right? But to measure the current, you put it in series connection, right? All the should be connected in series connection. Now, if we put a resistance here, then what we will get? Let us see. We put a small resistance, then the current will decrease. You see, here we are putting a small resistance like this one. This resistance we are putting between this one. Let's see what happens. Yes, in this case the current is decreasing, right? You see, we have put a resistance here, and if you want to measure the current, it is even fluctuating, but we are not getting a particular current now, right? In this way you can measure the current. You see, this is in series connection, nearly 10.1 milliampere current we are getting. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the notification bell so that you may get the uploaded videos immediately we upload it. So press the notification bell and make it in all positions so that you may get all the notifications, and whenever we upload videos you will get the notification and you can see the videos. Dear friends, if you like it, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.